Alright, this is Henry. He's a 5-year-old golden tripod. He's a very sweet boy. He has had some people and dog aggression. There's Al and Comstock, all the boarding trains. And Henry's doing very good. He's out with all the dogs right now. Let's see what happens when they run past him. Bear! Good boy. Al and Comstock playing. Let's see, Henry wants to get in on it. You can't move so fast though, huh, Henry? He's hard with 3 legs. He's doing very good. They're all doing good. Look at Al. And Comstock. Here comes Henry. Let's see. Good boy, Henry. Good boy. Yeah, good boy, buddy. Good boy. So he's doing great. Day 2 for him. Yeah. These two are just going crazy. Nice, cool evening. You gotta play. Comstock. Hey. Come here, bud. Good. Sit. Comstock. Hey. Comstock, sit. Thank you. Okay, break. Yeah, good boy.